So today we took a drive down to Dakin farm. They make milk there, and you can take a tour to see the cows and see how they make the milk. After I came out of the bathroom, one of the folks that works there, probably one of the owners, looked like the family people, I was telling my wife, telling Teresa that I need to be careful what I record, and not to record any of the other people's kids and ask permission before I film. So pretty much told her I'll just put the camera away, and didn't film anything there, and told her she was wrong for basically singling me out just because I had a big camera, because anybody with an iPhone or anything else could have done the same thing I was doing, and I'm sure she didn't stop them or say anything to them. So we did the tour. It was pretty cool, pretty good. We got to taste some chocolate milk. It was very good, actually. And then we were about 45 minutes away from Siesta Beach, so I said, let's take a ride to the beach. The wife was pretty much shocked that I decided to come to the beach, because normally I don't do things at the spur of the moment. I like to plan things, but I figured since we were so close, it's been a while since we actually been to a real beach. So let's take advantage. It's Friday, no rush to get home. So we're gonna hang out here for a little while. I don't know if we'll do much for dinner or just grab something quick on the way home. Once we leave here, we'll probably be here, till the sun sets, make the evening of it right here. So here we are at Siesta Beach for the rest of the day. Ooh, the water's, it's actually pretty warm. Is it okay if I take your picture?
No, sir. Put that shit away.
Okay, what about these people over here? Do I need their permission? They're in public. I don't know. So, like I said, we're at Siesta Beach. Is that what this is? Siesta Beach? The water is pretty warm. The wife's actually in the water. Normally, she's always cold. But as you can see, there she is in the water. I don't know how well you can hear me. It's pretty windy here, especially with the noise of the water, but the kids are having fun. And like I said, the water's very warm. I'm surprised. I got some kids looking at me. They're like, oh, look at him. He's a YouTuber. So they're going to probably try to get on camera. Little they know, I only got about 1,000 subscribers, and nobody watches my videos anyway. So, but probably put the camera away and enjoy the water myself too. We had to stop at Walmart and buy towels and bathing suits and water shoes and all that stuff. So we didn't really plan on this. So could have saved some money if we just had the stuff in the car, but no big deal. So now we got kids. The kids have a lot of bathing suits anyway, because between going in the pool all the time and all that stuff, so not a big deal. I bought myself a new bathing suit. We bought some cheap towels. They were like $2 a piece, so not a big deal. So like I said, we're gonna hang out here for a little while and enjoy the water. So it's now about 8 p.m. I didn't realize it was already 8 o'clock. Doesn't feel like it. So we're still here at the beach. Allie has had enough of the water. She's got a little, like a little mark under her arm, either her bathing suit or something, kind of irritating her. So we're just waiting for Gabby and Owen. I can't even keep track of who my kids are. So Gabby and Owen are still in the water, and we're gonna start making our way out of here and probably find some dinner somewhere along the way. As you can see, the sun is starting to go down. I don't think we're going to catch a sunset. We'll probably be gone by then. But it was a nice afternoon, nice early evening. It's kind of thinned out a little bit. There's still a lot of people on the beach, but it's thinned out a little bit. You ready to go home? Are you hungry? Is that what's the matter?
Yeah, my head hurts.
Your head hurts? Okay.
Maybe it's because I haven't really drinking anything.
Yeah, maybe we get some water when we get to the car. Was the beach better or is the farm better?
Farm.
You like the farm better?
You want to know why?
Why?
Because I got to get ice cream that was super good, and it was better than chocolate. But sherbet is still my favorite. My first favorite. Chocolate is my second, but now it's my third.
No, that's interesting. I thought you would have liked the beach better, but that's okay.
I like the bathing suit better.
You like the bathing suit? It's been a long time since we've been to the beach, too.
And
Probably.
I really love this bathing suit.
Well, we went to the beach in Puerto Rico, but in Florida, we haven't been to the beach probably in like 2 years.
I'd say like 5.
No, it's been like 2, I think. During COVID, we went to the beach during COVID because there was nothing else to do.
Go to the beach.
Yeah. So
The only activity that you could do without a mask was go to the beach.
yeah, eventually, they started to open the parks and everything back up. So that's what we started doing, going outside. Mommy's cold.
That's cold.
So the sun is starting to go down. Maybe we'll see the sunset before we leave. It's getting pretty low there. This is what you would call golden hour.
Oh, and right here, come on. You went to the park?
So like I said, a little bit after 8 o'clock, the sun is starting to set, but we're gonna start heading off the beach here, get cleaned up and get in the car. I can't hear you. What'd you say?
I had thank you for taking us to the beach.
Oh, you're very welcome. Did you have fun? I'm glad you had fun. So like I said, it's about 8:15. The sun is starting to set. You get some pretty beautiful sunsets here on the Gulf Coast. Like I said, we're starting to make our way off the beach. Gonna get changed, probably find some dinner somewhere. Start making the drive home. Take us a few hours to get home. But all in all, I think it was worth it. It was a good day. Been a long time since we've been to the beach, so the family is way over there now. Got to catch up to them.
What? Let's go get some food. Yeah,
We'll look at the sun now. It's crazy because you can look directly at the sun. It doesn't hurt. No. Allie's got a headache. Owen's got a boo-boo. Allie's hungry too. We got to get that kid some food. I don't have a long enough lens to get a shot of that, but maybe we can see it from here.
Love is a burning thing. It makes fire rain. It's bound by the wild side. Feel it too. Bring the fire. I feel into a burning ring of fire. But down, down, down. The flames running high. Burns, burns, burns.
Milkshake! Donut! Yeah, chocolate. This spoon is stronger than I
So we're heading back to the car now. We had a pretty good dinner here at that restaurant there. Live band playing. Food, good food. Then the kids got some ice cream and some donuts. And like I said, now we're heading back to the car. And it's gonna get pretty dark right here. And we gotta watch out for this puddle. So, like I said, heading back to the car. It's about, I think about 2.5 hours to get back home, depending on traffic. So, a little bit of a late night. It is, oh wow, it's, God, after 10:30 already. Don't expect Daddy to do too much tomorrow, that's for sure. There's something wrong with Gabby. She's acting like a maniac.